silence due to the fact that the 100 gang and rival Cobra cartel continue to fight over territory. And it seems Freeland's mayor, Billy Black, and his police force are unable to do anything to put an end to the conflict. Many are calling for the mayor to resign, even though the mayoral election is just months away.
Hey, where's the drugs? Hey, come here. I didn't do anything. Stay still, punk. Stop. Put your pocket. Stop.
Whoa, hey, is all that necessary?
Hey, get back in your car, sir.
Look, I know this kid. He wouldn't hurt a fly, so what did he do to deserve this?
It's your last warning, sir. Get back into your vehicle. Now.
No.
Get back in your vehicle now.
You gonna point a gun at me now?
I told you to get back in your car.
Do I look armed to you? I'm so tired of this.